Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. How many digits is a Revolut password? Now, before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of strong passwords. In today's world, our online security is more important than ever. And a strong password is one of the best ways to protect yourself from hackers and other cybercriminals. So, what makes a strong password? Well, there are a few things to keep in mind. Length: your password should be at least 8 characters long, and preferably longer. Complexity: your password should include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Uniqueness: your password should be unique and not used for any other accounts. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. How many digits is a Revolut password? Answer: the answer to this question is that there is no set number of digits for a Revolut password. Revolut allows you to use any combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for your password. However, as I mentioned earlier, it is important to create a strong password that is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Additional tips for creating a strong Revolut password. Use a password manager. A password manager is a tool that can help you create and manage strong passwords. It will generate random passwords for you and store them securely. Don't use easily guessable information. Don't use your name, birthday, or other personal information in your password. Change your password regularly. It's a good idea to change your password every few months or so. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Revolut, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.